You've got a business to be proud of and you're ready to show it off to the world. But what's the best way you can attract attention? And how can you get your brand into more customers' hands? Say hello to the wonderful world of merch. From custom mugs to bold stickers and trendy tote bags, designing your own merch can help to spotlight your brand. It's a powerful way to grow your business, achieve your marketing goals, and spread your message far and wide. Sounds great, right? But where do you begin? Well, you're in the right place. Or rather, watching the right video. We're going to explain what exactly business merchandise is, why your brand needs it, and how you can easily make and sell your very own merch. Put simply, merchandise refers to products that can be bought and sold or given away for free. These products can vary widely and include anything from pens to bottles and mugs. Think of it like this. You have a plain tee, keychain, water bottle, or beanie. Now, you add your logo or business name to that plain product and voila! A simple tee, keychain, bottle, or beanie becomes a marketing tool. And you guessed it, a piece of merch. Before we move on, it's important to understand that there are two types of merch, branded and retail. Branded merch is given away for free to increase brand awareness, while retail merch is sold to generate revenue. For example, let's say you run a restaurant. You might create branded merch like aprons to hand out for free at an industry event. On the other hand, you might create retail merch like t-shirts that customers can buy in-store for a set price. No matter what type of merch you create, the key is getting your brand seen by the right people at the right time and place. So, you've decided on which type of merch you'd like to use, and you're ready to get started. Step 1. Get to know your market and the customers you're looking to engage. Who are they and what do they love? For example, let's say that you own and run a bookstore. Your customers are more likely to purchase merch that reflects their interests, such as bookmarks or mugs with quotes from their favorite authors. By understanding the answers to these crucial questions, you're better equipped to make merch that resonates, inspires, and connects with your target audience. Remember to keep an eye on your competitors and get creative with the types of merch you could create. Step 2. Refine your designs. Work with a professional designer or develop your own designs to make merch that looks good, feels good, and captures your unique brand identity. Consider color schemes, fonts, and copy. Step 3. Bring your merch to life. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to pick a professional supplier that can turn your designs into real-life merch. Quality, cost, and turnaround time should be front of mind when you're considering which supplier to engage. Step 4. Put a price on your merch. If you've decided that retail merch is the best option for your business, then it's important to put a price on the products that you're selling. Don't know where to start? Consider things like production costs, competitor pricing, and market value. For example, let's say that you run a diner and you've created fun, fresh t-shirts for customers to buy. Take a look at your competitors, or simply other restaurants, who also sell t-shirts. What price are they charging? Are their t-shirts made from the same materials? The more you research, the more information you'll have, so that eventually you can put a fair and reasonable price on your merch. Step 5. Show off your merch. Whether you're selling online, handing it out at events, or gifting products to influencers, it's time to get your creations out there and start reaping the rewards. Getting your brand the attention it deserves doesn't need to be a tricky task. By creating your very own merch and sharing it with your customers, you can grow your business and make more connections. Ready to get started? Head to VistaPrint to explore our range of promotional products. Want more tips and insights onto marketing your business? You can visit our blog, where you'll find lots of helpful articles from branding to design and everything in between. And before we say goodbye, let us leave you with some wise and slightly overquoted words from the late Steve Jobs. People don't know what they want until you show it to them. Show them something great and build your brand, one pen, keyring, or mug at a time.